All right, so we need three things: fuel, air, and spark. We do not have spark. These parts are old. Let's get going. This is called the ignition coil. We're gonna test it here. And the secondary side of this old coil here that we just took out of the 65 John Deere. I'm a low ohm setting. We're looking for a number that's steady and less than 5. That's going to be good as the primary. Now the secondary, we'll switch the ohm meter to 20,000, and I'm not getting anything on the secondary side, so it is more than likely not a good coil. Up, spark plug in it, and give it a crank and see if she produces spark. So with the jumper cables hooked up to the battery on the working tractor, to save money, of course, because why buy a new battery for a tractor that doesn't work? So we got her plugged in. Got the new plug in there with the new condenser, and we still don't have spark. So I want to replace that contact point, and hopefully that's the problem. So inside here is the contact point that I need to replace. I took the top screw out already. I'll go ahead and remove the bottom screw. All right, I'm going to hand crank the motor, and you're going to be able to see the contact points open, but you have to watch very carefully. This rod goes in and out as the motor cranks, pushing the contact points open and closed. I have my main battery cables made up. I'm going to heat shrink wrap them, and then I'm going to start making all the rest of the wires with the waterproof connectors that I got off Amazon, and some more heat shrink wrap. So now that all my battery terminals are made up, I'm going to go through here and I'm going to start replacing and taking all the rust off of each one of these terminals as I bolt up the new. See, this is just an old disaster. So I am not going to video all that because it's going to be very lengthy, but you'll get the point. I'll do a before and an after. All right, we got our makeshift gas tank hooked up here. Real quick note, you should probably not do this with a gas tank. Not very safe, fumes, explosive, not good. So that's great news. The tractor's starting again. Here's all the old trash I removed. It didn't work. Old battery cables from God knows when, if they were original or not. Probably some of them were. But this is what it would have cost if I would have bought a harness. Instead, I made it myself. Here it is. New battery cables, all new wires. Hard to really see. It's not clean because I got to take it all apart again so I can material blast and paint everything. So like and subscribe. It'll be coming up soon.